Hello, welcome back to Samuel's Public Library Database Tutorials. Today I want to talk to you about a really great resource called Just for Kids. So to get to it, just starting from our website, samuelslibrary.net, you go to Services up here at the top, down to Databases near the middle here. Click on that. And then at Kids and Teens, you click on that and then go down to Just for Kids, that green image there, and go ahead and view resource. So I really like this resource because it just has so many educational videos for kids. And it's a lot of easy ways to use it. So it can be categorized by all of the science videos, or even more specifically things like earth science or biology. And then there's things about history and a lot about animals and stuff like that. So you can go by topic. One easy way to do that is up here. So they've got TV shows and movies, or peoples and places, or the sciences, reading and writing, ABCs and 1, 2, 3s, all kinds of things up here. And another way to do that is if you go up here at the top, they'll organize it by subject. So we've got all those things I just said, as well as world languages, math, and art and music. They'll also show it by if there's like a specific producer that you really like Sesame Street. You can get all the Sesame Street right there together, or Rabbit Ears is great as well. So you can go that route. But then there's also just right there from their homepage, you can see they've got Wild Kratts from PBS. That's always super popular way to learn about animals in particular. They also have books that are just read aloud and animated. So for example, they've even got Redwall. You can click on that, and it'll have that whole series. And these ones are a little bit longer. These are 20 minutes, but there's a range of different length videos that they have on the website. I noticed the other day that they have the TV show Arthur that I always loved as a kid. So they've got all those episodes there. There's all kinds of cool stuff though. If we go back to their main page, it's just a really great way to teach your kids about different topics, and kind of just let them explore. You can even share it with someone, or add it to a playlist to make it easy to find later. So if you wanted to do a whole, make your own little series for your kid about some specific topic, like all about the body, or all about how things grow, or something like that, you could do that. So all kinds of fun stuff that you can do through Just for Kids, and you have free access to this through your library card. So log in and try it out. Hope you like it.